Ever wondered if giving out your Wi-Fi password is like handing over your house keys? You are inviting guests' devices into your private digital living room. It's a bigger risk than you think. Welcome back everybody. We are OneConnect, a social enterprise dedicated to empowering people through technology. The problem network spying. When a guest joins your main network, their device can see everything else connected to it. If their phone has malware, it can potentially jump to your devices. You shouldn't have to risk your privacy just to be a good host. Step 1. The router admin panel. The solution, a guest Wi-Fi. A guest Wi-Fi is a separate lane for visitors. To start this, you have to log into your router admin panel by typing your router IP address. Usually this is 8 digits long. After you type this IP address in your browser, you'll find the login details on the sticker at the back of your router. Step 2. Enable guest isolation. Look for the guest network or wireless setting tab. Switch it on. Ensure the box says allow guests to see each other or access local network. Step 3. Secure and name. Name this network something clear like guest secure and get a strong unique password. Now you never have to give your primary password again. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if this video helped you, please like and share. For more support, check out our products and links down below, and stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.